Alright, what's going on, guys? Today we're gonna be doing another Leetcode question. Today we're gonna be doing the top k frequent elements. And so basically how this question works is you're just given an array called nums, and your job is to return the k most frequent numbers in the array. So in this case, we're given k. K is 2. So we need to return the two most common numbers. And so in this case, 1 occurs 3 times, 2 occurs twice, and 3 occurs once. So the two most frequent occurring numbers are 1 and 2. So we return 1 and 2. Okay. And basically, the way that I solved this question was you want to just create a dictionary. So we'll call this my dictionary. Okay. And then we want to loop through the numbers in nums. So just say for x in nums. And then we'll say, okay, so if x is in my dictionary, we can then just increase the count. So we'll say my dictionary at x plus equals 1. Else, if it's not in the dictionary, then we'll just go my dictionary at x equals 1. Okay. And then, so here, what I'll do for now is I'll just return, so I can just show you guys how this is going to work. So let's just return like this for now. Okay. But let's print out my dictionary. Okay. So when we run this, as you guys can see, so it prints this. So after it's done executing, so let's take nums here. So nums is this, okay, and then our dictionary is this. So dictionary equals this. Okay, and so as you can see, basically what we do is we loop through the dictionary, and if it's in the dictionary, we increase the count. If it's not in the dictionary, we set the count to 1. Okay, and then so once we've iterated through, as you can see, so 1 occurs 3 times. So we have 1 occurs 3 times. So the key is 1 and the value is 3. Okay, and then 2 occurs twice. So we have the key 2 and its value is 2, and then 3 occurs once. So now the only challenge right now is we want to return basically the two largest keys. Okay, so we want to find the two largest values in our dictionary and return the key associated with those two values. Okay, and basically the way that you can do this in Python is you can use a heap. And so you can go like this. And so you might need to, I didn't know this until I had to Google it, but this is probably like a useful thing to remember to do. So you can go heap q n largest. So n largest. Okay. Map. And then key equals map.get. Okay. And basically what this does is so k is going to be like the amount of largest you want to return. So if this was 1, you would turn the largest, 2 largest, 3 largest, so on. Map, so the second one is like what you're iterating over. So actually, sorry, this should not be map. This should be my dictionary, and this should be that. Okay, so we're iterating over my dictionary. Okay, and then key kind of references that we want to return the keys. Okay, and so we can go ahead and run that. And yeah, boom. So that's basically it. Go ahead and submit. yeah, and as you can see, it's super fast, good memory. Yeah, so just, yeah, keep in mind, so this part's pretty easy, and probably like if you've done like contains duplicate or questions like that, you could probably be able to get this part pretty easily. But yeah, it's just remembering this. So just remember heap q n largest, kind of like k largest, and then the amount the largest you want to return, what you're iterating over, and then this indicates that you want the keys. Yeah, but anyways, that's been the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and have a good rest of your day.